Alright, ladies and gents, today's plan was to go bagging on the Caprice now that she's on the road. I took it to work yesterday, some things to address, but for the most part it's ready to go. But as you can see, Mother Nature decided to take a big old steaming dump on us last night, so first we gotta get some shit fired up and move it out of the way so I can plow snow. I guess we'll start with this thing, see how she cold starts. I think it's like, I don't know, 15 degrees out today. Not super terrible, but get the old Crown Vic hood stack cover off of there. See if she fires. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Come on, baby. More glow plug. Oh boy. Come on, come on. Aw, you bitch. Man. All right, I'll let that chooch away for a little bit, see what else is going to start. The old screaming seaman here, I got faith in. This one always starts, as long as I didn't leave my inverter on and kill the batteries again. Oh yeah, that was easy. I don't think we need to start any of this. I don't think it's worth plowing around it. But we do need the plow truck to start. Oh. Everything's just fucking loyal around here. I mean, we could get tomorrow's problem running. This fucker be a good smoke show. Oh my goodness. Whew. I forgot how much mud was under this fucking thing. Let me see if I can track down some batteries, and we'll try and get this thing running, because why not? Alright, I can only find one good-ish Walmart cheapo battery that was side post, so I got the booster pack and the battery in here. See what she's gonna do. It was August last time this thing ran. It is now February. Day after Valentine's Day, actually. Ooh. Oh, fuck. It didn't start that fucking good when it was warm out. Oh, smoke them over there. Yeah, she likes that. Ugh. I can't believe this fucking thing started. Okay. Well, that was too easy, I guess. Let me get some shit moved around. I guess we'll try that pig next. Well, because I'm broke and I couldn't afford 400 acres for like 7 grapes and a corn dog like our parents did, I got my teeny little yard here. So I gotta plow the driveway out, move all my shit away, or over to here to the plowed spot, and then plow the spots where all the shit was sitting, and then move everything back. So yeah, it's a whole fucking ordeal. Let's get that pile pushed up there. Oh yeah. Okay. I'm gonna, oh, other forward. I'm gonna get a spot cleared out here because this is hard as shit to do with one hand. And we'll keep starting some more shit. case you're wondering, bald 35s don't do for shit in snow. If the old leaning tower of power will come to life. Ooh, that hood's heavy. Come on. Yep. Oh. Alright. Power. That fucking white shit weighs a lot. Okay. Oh. These old cars are not fat, guys. Oh, oh. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, yeah. Uh-oh. Oh, we must have oil pressure. Oh, yeah. Listen to all 5 of them cylinders purr. Come on. Oh, you bitch. Oh, you can just smell the old gas in this thing. This is the gas that was in it in the storage unit since the 90s, so yeah, she's primo. Ugh. The brake light is on because there is none. They're non-existent. Come on. Will she claw out of here? Oh, nope. Come on. Really? These old slant 6s, they just never die. It's just too bad they weren't worth keeping alive. Claw, claw. Dig, bitch, dig. Fucking rocket barb. Come on home, baby. Uh-oh. We're still moving. Action. Oh, didn't like that. Oh. Oh, fucking come on, baby. There we go. just pile this fucker up into the Caprice real quick. Or we get stuck right here, that too. Oh. Oh. Pretty sure the cat on this thing is completely plugged. May have just dug myself a hole. Uh-oh. Okay, so this thing's not having it. I'm just gonna drag this out of the way now. Alright, so after a whole bunch of more fiddle fucking around, I finally got that thing over there. It might be on fire now, but it's running on 6 cylinders again. But yeah, see all that black shit? That's all coming out of the exhaust, so I'm pretty sure the cat's plugged. Yeah, let me plow this up and move some more shit around, and then we'll keep trying to start shit. So like before, I only could find one good-ish battery, so we're substituting the booster pack. Turn that on. But this is a fresh build. Come on, fucking fingers. Turn, there, okay. This is a fresh build, and I don't quite have all the air out of the HEUI system yet, so we're gonna cheat on this one. We're gonna let the glow plug cycle. And we're gonna give her a whiff of the good stuff here. That should be plenty. Probably too much. And we'll give her a crank. Oh yeah, clutch. Ugh. The safeties of this thing work. Well, that's not good. Okay. Apparently my goodish battery's not very good. Let me see what else I can find. I got a different battery in there. Let's see if that yields different results. Come on, oil pressure. Okay, more swift. Give her a sniff. Get that hooked back up. Oh. Okay. Come on. Get the old steel me plug going here. Oh, fucking starter shit the bed. I guess this one's dead in the water. So much for that. I would try harder, but I've got a starter coming in the mail for this thing, so I'll dick with it then. Okay, that means I need to move the trailer so I can plow snow around this thing. Forklift? Let's give the forklift a try. So because I know better with this whole fucking whore, we're just gonna give her the what for right away. That should get her going. If it even turns over at all. Okay, fuel. Oh. Booster pack it is. Okay, round 2. That was easy. I tell you what, you ain't got one of these things and you got a lot of shit like I do that doesn't want to run, get yourself one. Harbor Freight. Alright, now that our chores are done, let's go beat on this thing, which you'll have to check out the next video for because this one's getting long enough. So like, comment, subscribe, go find the next video. We're gonna go beat on this thing.